Welcome to the EasyGates Direct Guide to Mechanical Requirements for RAM-type gate motors, determining the AB measurements. Before we get started automating your RAM-type gate motors, it's crucial that we are aware of the requirements, both electrically and mechanically. Within the first few pages of your technical manual, that we supply with every automation kit, you will find the mounting instructions for your operator. This will include the geometry chart, which explains where to position your motor in correlation to the hinge mount. This will typically compose of A, B, and C measurements. This may differ depending on the product being fitted. If you're unsure of the A and B measurements, and you no longer have the manual to hand, you can search manuals.easygates.co.uk for a digital copy. Alternatively, there is a method to estimate the required values by taking the overall length for the stroke of the arm, then dividing that by 2. This will give you an approximated value of what the A and B measurements would be centered towards. Not only will this give you a fully functional gate automation system when fitted to these required measurements, it will also give you an idea of what angle the gate will be able to achieve when fitted correctly. If you have a gate where the hinge is mounted on the outside face of the post, the bracket supplied with the kit may not be suitable for achieving a working system. This is due to the opening position of the RAM being impossible to achieve without fabricating a suitable bracket, or dropping in a new post to mount the RAM from. If you have deeper set hinges on wide pillars, it would be impossible to install without cutting into the brick to position the bracket and RAM. In this case, it would be advisable to seek out an alternative means to automate your gates with either an underground motor or an articulated system. When we follow all the instructions correctly, the lifespan and functionality of your motors will be guaranteed. It's also worth noting that any installation that does not comply with these requirements will not fall under warranty conditions.
To stay up to date with the latest in gate automation and safety, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, or follow us on Twitter.